going to talk about a logic circuit in 4 steps. First, text. According to Aristotle, animals, people, or things can be organized following patterns, and mind acts according to these patterns. P is going to be animals. Q is going to be people. R is going to be things. And S is going to be mind acts.
The second step is the formula. In the text, we found 2 connectors OR and 1 AND. The formula is P or Q or R and S. We can see the text and proves that this is correct.
Now we're gonna make the third step, demonstration by calculation. We have 4 letters. We will use the net formula to elevated n, and we have 16.
Now we have the 16 combination that we can have. For the demonstration, we are going to use this line with P and Q. Later, we are going to do this connector, and finally, we are going to do the S, that is this part, and later we are going to connect this with N. This is the precedent, and this is the end of the verb O. This is over this line. We use P and Q. With O, we know that it's false when the 2, P and Q, are false. Now, we can prove this in this line. True or true is true. Now, false and false is false. We have the second connector in this part. We use this and R. With the connector O, that we know that we only use false when the 2 are false. We have the example. Now, true and false is true. Now we have false and false, and this is false. Now we have the conclusion in this part. Is this. It's going to be only true in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now we find this using this line with S and with the connector N. N is only true when they are true. We have this in this time, and we see that in this part it's false.
Show me to a higher place.
We have the 4th step, is the circuit logic. Before we do the circuit logic, we need to do a plan about like a skull or circuit. We have the battery and we have the tree. This is going to be P, Q, R, and this is going to be S. This is going to have O and O, and this is going to be N.
In the physical representation of the logic circuits, we have 3 statements. P, Q, and R. The statements are related by the connector OR. So this means the first statement can be as true as the second one and the third one, and all these three are related to the third one by the connection AND. Finally, we have a like. If we
Take me to outer space. I want you to be